Westminster Quay down there. I think I've walked it maybe 3 times in my life, but I'm very familiar with it. I think about it a lot. See, I visit these places in my mind. And it's called a hard rain. Because it seems when it rains and you're down there at the quay, it's a harder rain. It's just more powerful, the rain down there. Maybe it's because the river's close. A hard rain pelts down, graying the sky to charcoal. The quay is deserted, and somehow out of key. I stand at the guardrail, collar pulled tight, staring at the cold river. The wind whirls and swirls, inviting the river into its frenzy. The river resists, then slowly submits. Small ripples at first, cresting to waves. Simplicity, chaos, and somehow synchronicity, present through it all. A young girl in a pink fleece jacket and well-worn mucklucks passes by. Her eyes as vague as fading winter sparks. The day dissolves. Night chews on the final remnants of a nondescript twilight. Appetite sated, she licks her lips and the thunder rolls in the bruised atmosphere of a hard rain bleeding from the sky.